Hello and welcome back to Our Twisted Kitchen. This weekend is actually going to be a little bit of a vlog style. I'm actually not at home right now. I'm actually not even in Michigan. I decided to take a trip to Oregon to kind of just get away for a little while, kind of just have some time to myself. There are plenty of vegan restaurants out here and I'm doing a little bit of research right now on what's available. So I will be showing you what I find, but I want to give you a little bit of a tour of where I'm staying. I pretty much have this entire house to myself, which is fantastic. It's a little cabin in the woods, if you will. I'm really looking forward to showing you guys what I can find. I'm actually going to rent a car for a few days because it's cheaper than getting an Uber, because everything I want to do is actually in Portland, which is about 20 minutes away, and I would much rather pay $45 a day than $40 every time I leave the house. I am going to go to the grocery store too because I want to still make some cold summer lunches. I will be featuring some of those as well as some of the restaurants that I go to. So if you want to see more videos like this in the future, such as traveling, vlogs, restaurants, whatever, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe below and let me know what you like to see. I also want to give a huge shout out to Jessica again for submitting the cold summer lunch suggestion. If you have any suggestions of videos I can make in the future, please go ahead and leave those in the comments below. The first place we're gonna go is called Native Foods. They have 100% plant-based, 100% made from scratch food, and it's only 6 minutes away, so that's why we're going there first. So I got the barbecue brisket, and that is how it looks. This is gonna be so good. I also got sweet potato fries for my side, and ooh, so good. And I got some Chipotle sauce here, so hopefully it's not too spicy, but you never know. I'm having a hard time getting this to sit in one spot, so you're just gonna have to bear with me as I eat this with one hand and film with the other. Phenomenal. I don't know what cheese they use on that or how they cook it, but whatever they're doing is working because that was delicious. The sweet potato fries were really good. They did get a little salty at the end, but they were still very delicious. I was thinking about getting a dessert, but I'm glad I didn't because I'm full. I think they used Seitan, I think, for their barbecue brisket. They had Seitan on there. They also had coleslaw and pickles, and I think there was some sauteed onions on there too, so it was really, really great flavor. If you are ever in Oregon, check them out. They're in the Bridgeport something or other. You'll find it. Just look up Native Foods Cafe and you will find it. So I just woke up like 30 minutes ago maybe. I'm gonna go to the store soon and get something to eat. It's gonna be great. The summer lunches are gonna be really easy. It's gonna be great, and I'm excited for them. I also want to see what Safeway has as far as vegan food goes. I might pick up a little extra stuff just to try some stuff out. Either way, I gotta make sure it's all gone by Monday because that's how long I'm staying here. I also think today's gonna be the day that I'm gonna go hiking, so I gotta find a couple trails to go on and see what is available around here because I want to spend some of today exercising. So I made it to Safeway. I hope you can hear me because you obviously can't see my mouth. So I made it to Safeway. I picked up some bagels or English muffins. Pretty similar to what I would say is like a family fare in Michigan. Pretty similar setup, pretty similar products, but it is nice to see what they have available. There's quite a bit here, so I'm gonna take a look around and see what I can find and then let you know when I get out. So now I'm back at the Airbnb and I'm just gonna make a couple English muffins. English, whatever you want to call them. I don't know. They're like, essentially they're like sausage McMuffins, I guess, without the egg. That is what I'm having today. I will be back with you either for a walk or for lunch, whichever comes first, maybe both at the same time, who knows. But I will see you in a little while. So I thought I was recording the whole time, but I wasn't. I want to go to Modern Times for lunch today, but I still feel pretty full from breakfast, so I am going to go for a little hike right now. So I will see you all at the trail. So I am just now finishing up my hike, actually, but here are some pictures from the top of this hill. This is Mount Tabor. There's a lot of pine trees, a lot of greenery, a lot of life. I really enjoyed this hike, even though it's completely uphill until you start coming down, because it's a giant mound of dirt and trees and stuff. So now that this hike is practically over, I'm just walking back to the car now. I think it's time for some food. First place we're gonna go though for lunch is gonna be Modern Times, because it's only like 10 minutes, 15 minutes from here, so let's do it. Also, the spot that I parked at has a pretty great view too. I am here at Modern Times, the Belmont Fermatorium. I am so excited to eat this food and to go to the bathroom too. So I ordered the Asada burrito, and this thing is fucking huge. It's beautiful, but there's a lot of things in it. I will put a list in the description below of what's in this, because there's a lot to list. And I've had 2 drinks, so I'm not gonna remember all of it, but cheers. That's hot. Gotta let that cool down a little bit. So I do know that there is Seitan in this, and there is some Chipotle Crema? I'm not sure how to say that. There is some ancho salsa in here, ancho salsa. It is kind of spicy, but it all works out really well. So the flavors mix together very well. And I'm excited to continue digging into this. There's also fries in here, so that's pretty awesome. So it is now Saturday morning, and I went to get some coffee. I think I'm actually gonna stop at a donut place because I want some sort of a breakfast from Portland, and I don't want to miss up the opportunity while I'm in town. I've heard of Dough Donuts, so I might stop by there. They're completely women-owned, and I want to support that. So their donuts look fucking amazing, and they're all vegan. So we're gonna go to Dough Donuts. I guess it's decided. Okay, so I finally found a spot to sit to try out all of these donuts. I really truly don't need this many donuts. This one is the Horchata Twist. I've never tried an horchata donut before, so I'm excited to see what this one has as far as flavor goes. And this here is called a Black Forest. There's cocoa powder, I think she said, in it. So it looks like a cake donut, and it kind of tastes like one. The texture is similar to one. That one is still pretty, I think it sounds like it's made the same way this one is, but because of the cocoa powder, it looks a little bit thicker. And then this one is a Portland fog. I wanted to try this one out just because it's signature and it's not something that I will be able to find anywhere else. I think with that, I want to try out the Black Forest one first. Should I eat it? No, I'll keep it on there. Just take a big bite of it. Ready? That cherry adds a lot of flavor. I don't know if it's the chocolate or what it is, but there's something in here that gives it like kind of like a smoky flavor. Not in a bad way. Definitely gives it a little bit more depth, I think. Whatever it is, I don't know if it's the cocoa powder or something else, but definitely is really good though. Lots of flavor. This one is the Horchata Twist. Let's just rip this apart. See how beautiful it is. And dig in. Oh my God. Maybe I do need 3 donuts. That icing is everything. That's like, you bite into this little part of the donut and you're like, oh yeah, it's just another twisty donut, right? No, it's not. The icing on top has all the flavor and it's phenomenal. It's delicious. It's flavorful, just like the last one. I say this for a lot of things. I need to get better at terminology. I can't even put into words how good this is. As I wait for my palate to clear from the last donut, I just want to mention that Main City Park is very beautiful. I haven't even walked around yet. I just came to this spot to find, to get ready for this video. There's a lot of scenery and there's a dog park right behind me. There's swings behind me. There's trails, it looks like. So I'm definitely going to be taking some hiking. I'm going to take a hiking opportunity. I don't know what you call it. I'm going to walk down these trails and see what all there is in this park because it's very beautiful. The first park I was going to go to, I found out was an elementary school, and I was like, yeah, hard pass. So with all of that, this is a Portland fog. So it's got Earl Grey icing with the whipped cream and can't remember what's on top. Cocoa powder maybe, I don't know. But it smells delicious. So let me try it with the, ooh, wow, that's dark. Let me try it with the whipped cream. I think I'm tasting the donut more than I am the icing, and I enjoy that. Yeah, still not a fan of this icing. Not really a huge fan of Earl Grey tea, so maybe that's why, but I don't know. I'm still gonna eat it, but I probably wouldn't get it again. But I wanted to try it out just because it's a signature from Dough Donuts, so I wanted to make sure I give that a try before I give it a pass. That is Dough Donuts. Gotta love it.